There's something no one tells you about chasing success. You can spend your entire life climbing a ladder only to realize it's leaning on the wrong wall. I used to believe working harder was the answer. Stay late, say yes to everything, sacrifice weekends. Until one day I looked around and realized I was working harder than ever and still barely keeping my head above water. Bills, deadlines, pressure, all for a paycheck that could vanish with one email. That email came in 2021. Due to company restructuring, your pay has been reduced by 50%. Half. Just like that. That moment broke me open because I realized if one decision from someone else can cut your income in half, you don't have freedom, you have a fragile illusion of it. Before we go any further, if any of this hits home for you, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. That's where I break down exactly how I built a real online business that pays me 100% profit and runs on a 2-hour workday without paid ads or tech overload. Check it out while you listen. It'll make everything I'm about to share click. Back then, I was staring at my bank app before filling my gas tank, putting groceries back at the register, choosing between a bill and a breath of fresh air. I was overworked and underpaid. And the worst part was, I knew I was capable of so much more. So I started searching. I tried side hustles, courses, crypto, e-commerce. Every path looked promising until you realized it was either a scam, a grind, or a job disguised as freedom. Then in 2024, I stumbled on a different model. Digital marketing with automation and master resale rights. It wasn't just another program, it was a system. A system that lets you resell proven digital products for 100% profit, build 10 income streams, and run everything from your phone. That changed everything. At first, I was skeptical. How can something so simple work so well? But the truth is, simplicity is what makes it work. Most people fail online because they're trying to build a business from scraps, designing websites, finding products, writing emails, and hoping it somehow sticks. This system had it all done for me. A proven product, a website, a sales funnel, automated emails, training, and mentorship. All I had to do was follow the steps, plug in, and stay consistent. No paid ads, no cold DMs, no bothering friends and family. Just real content, automation, and a community that has your back. The first time I made $1,400 in a day, I almost laughed because for years I used to sell a product that paid me $14 per sale. To make $1,400, I needed 100 customers. Now one customer equals $1,400. That's $42,000 a month or $511,000 a year potential with 100% profit. I'm not saying that to flex, I'm saying that because it's real. And yeah, results aren't typical, they depend on your effort and consistency, but then again, typical people stay broke, so don't be typical. Automation became my silent employee. It doesn't call in sick, doesn't ask for vacation, and never forgets to follow up. My emails build trust while I sleep. My content runs 24/7. My income flows while I live my life. That's not a dream, that's the result of structure. Because freedom without structure is chaos. Structure without freedom is a job. You need both. And I know what you're thinking, Dan, you must be some kind of tech genius or online marketing whiz. Nope. I was a waiter, a teacher, a former monk who didn't even know how to set up a funnel a year ago. I learned it all inside of the community. That's the beauty of it. You don't need a degree or experience, you just need a decision. When you plug in day one, you get the launch to profit training that walks you step by step to your first sale. Then you follow the 2-hour workday, create content, go live on social media, let the system handle the rest. That's it. The real win isn't the money, it's what the money gives you. Peace, options, breathing room, moments that matter. When I was stuck in the 9 to 5, I missed so many memories because I was too busy making a living. Now I'm making a life. That's what I want for you too. You were never meant to just survive. You were meant to build something that outlives you. And this system is how you start. So here's what to do next. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com right now. Download the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It'll show you the exact steps to launch your digital business, build 10 income streams, earn 100% profit, and create $1,400 days using automation and community support. You'll see why thousands of people are doing this and why the ones who take action are the ones who win. Don't wait for someday. Someday is how people stay stuck. Today is how you get free. Because freedom isn't luck, it's built. It's earned through courage and consistency. And it starts with one simple decision: to stop settling for less than you deserve. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com, get the blueprint now. You'll understand why I say, once you see it, you can't unsee it.